So I'm going to tell you about the family. So see, this is the project and this is the family, right? In the family also
Right.
there is the open, there is a new conceptual months and Autodesk 6. Autodesk 6 is a website that will give the family. You can download the family files from this Autodesk 6. If you need some family, then you can download from here, right?
Right.
So apart from that, how you make your individual families. So Revit provide the 3 types of family. I talked it earlier. I think one is the system file, second one is the loadable file, right? And third one is the
Right.
in place family. Three types of family Revit will provide. System file will means the individual means inside family that
Yeah.
has Revit content. Means you cannot modify the family of the system family like wall, ceiling, slab. These are called the system family. Loadable family means whatever the family
All
you
right.
are
Okay.
able to load. Okay, means whatever the
Okay.
whatever the families we load from the external, that is called the loadable family. Loadable family you can make by yourself, you can load in your project also, right? So I am going to
Right.
tell you how to create the loadable family, because you cannot create the system family. System family is by default generated by the Revit, right? So we
Okay.
have to create only loadable family. So one more thing, all the families have some host, right? Means hosted
Right.
family. Suppose I need one fan, that ceiling fan will always placed on the ceilings, right? So that is called the
Right.
ceiling hosted fan,
Okay.
right? They need ceilings only. Our smoke detector, light fixtures, this all are ceiling hosted. And suppose one CPU is there, CPU is the floor mounted, it means it will only place on the floor or verticals. So there is a hosted family, non-hosted family, and you can say is the generic family. Generic family means you can choose the workplace to place the family.
Okay.
Understood these 3 things?
Understood. Understood.
Right. So before making the family, you have to be sure in which kind of family you are going to make. If you are making fan, then it must be the ceiling hosted, because it is going on the ceiling. If you are going to place on the wall, then it will be the wall hosted.
Okay.
So according to the host, Revit provides the templates. As creation of project, you have to choose the template accordingly. In the family creation, you have to choose the template.
Okay.
So choose the templates. I'm not going to open any families. I'm going to create a new family, right?
Okay. Okay.
So click on new. In this new, again English I. I means imperials, right?
Okay.
So this is the family template file. In this family template file, Chinese, Spanish, English I, French, German, Italian, Japanese. So many templates are here in different languages, but I need English. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
If Italian people want Italian template, then they can select from here, but I need English.
Okay. Okay.
So click on English. On the English, see, so many families template are there. This is the annotations. If you want to make the annotations family, then you click the annotation template. If you want to make conceptual mass template, then you can choose. If you want to make your own title block, then you can select on the title block template, right?
Okay.
So I'm going for making one generic family for an examples, right?
Okay.
So choose one generic model. I'm going to choose metric generic model. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So click on metric generic model and click on open. Now you will see in this floor plan, this is the reference level. Okay, reference level means
Okay.
0 level.
Okay.
Now your top view is coming in front of you. This is the top view. By default, Revit provided these two reference planes. Already I talked about the reference plane. What is the reference plane? How I can create the reference plane. So these are the two reference plane, right?
Right.
After going in this family editors, you will see there is the command extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, sweep blend, and void form.
Mm.
This all you can find also in the CAD for making
Yes.
3D views, right?
Exactly. Yes.
Similarly, kinds of thing, because the family is the 3D models. So I will make one 3D. I will try to make one 3D model, but in the
Okay.
CAD you cannot control the parameters of the 3D models, but in the Revit you can control the parameters.
Mm.
Suppose I need one 200 by 200 by 300 box.
Mm.
Then I will create parameters height, width, and the length, and
Mm.
accordingly I will make one box,
Mm.
and I will change the parameters accordingly. My family will be changed, right?
Mm. Right.
But in the AutoCAD, you have to make different. You cannot
Mm.
suppose I need 200 by 200 by 200. Then I have to make that dimensions box. Again, if I need 200 by 200 by 300, then you have to make another 200 by
Another
200
one.
by 300. I mean different. You have
Yeah.
to make
Mm.
in
Mm.
AutoCAD. But in the Revit, you have only make one box, and you have to give the parameters, length, width, and height.
Oh. Okay.
By changing parameters, you can make so many boxes. You
Mm.
need not to create more and more. You only have to
Mm.
change the parameters.
Oh, I see.
This is the powerfulness of the Revit. Means
Mm.
parametric family makes the Revit very
Mm.
powerful tools.
Mm. I think in AutoCAD Mechanical they have this feature. In AutoCAD Mechanical, you can for example do a flexible parts.
Yeah,
Flexible you can change.
yeah, for some materials they have given, but you cannot create your own materials.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
But
I see.
here you are creating your own,
Mm.
and
Mm.
you are controlling according as your need.
Okay.
So I'm going to make one box, and I will give the parameters on the box, and I will change the parameter, and box will be changed. So you
Okay.
can get the basic concepts how to make the families.
Mm.
This is the very
Okay.
very basic concept. If you understand
Mm.
this concept, you can make all the parameters, all the families.
Mm. Okay.
So this topic is very important.
Mm.
Clear?
Clear.